Hi everyone, today I have brought a very powerful and a sleek gaming tablet to share with you. Well, I have discovered not many YouTubers are showing you this tablet, but I am a bit a fan of Red Magic smartphones. But this time, Red Magic newly released this Red Magic Gaming Tablet Pro. But in China it comes in different name, Hongmo Tianjing Ping Ban, a compact tablet. So as a tech enthusiastic, I must bring this tablet in the light, and you might like it for your gaming gadget treasure. This gaming tablet comes with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, big battery, 2 variants and a decent price range. I will tell you everything regarding this tablet in this video. So let's get start the video, and please guys don't forget to consider subscribing my channel Mr.Laowai-English Tech. This is how this Red Magic Nova gaming tablet box look like. Let's open the packaging and take out the accessories. Here we have the Red Magic stickers and along with a warranty card. This is a charger and this is a cable. First, let's look at the charger. It features a Type-C interface with a maximum output power of 120 watts. The charging cable is a standard C to C type, measuring 99 centimeters. I won't go into too much detail about the stickers. Now let's quickly look at the tablet. This tablet has a size of 10.9 inches, which is slightly larger than the small 8-inch tablets we might expect. Looking at the back, we can see that the design style is quite different from what we commonly see in other tablets. One of the highlights of the Red Magic Nova gaming tablet is the world's first transparent design on the back of the body. The transparent part is covered with lens-grade aluminum silicone glass, which allows you to see the internal 3D heat pipes and circuits decoration panels. Combined with RGB fan lights, the overall look is very cool. It has chosen an integrated metal back cover. The company claims it has scratch resistance, but to be honest, this is a scratch I got during making the video. I really don't understand how it can get such scratches easily. The company also claims this has also fingerprint resistance. It feels relatively light, weighing under 500 grams, which is lighter than my other gaming tablets. In terms of dimensity, the Red Magic Nova gaming tablet features a 10.9-inch 2.8K display panel and a 144Hz high refresh rate, offering options for smart switching between 60, 90, 120 and 144 Hz with a screen ratio of 16:10 with uniform bezels on all four sides, which is the closest ratio to mainstream video and gaming. Actually, 10.9 inches is slightly smaller than additional tablets on the market and slightly larger than foldable phones, making it the golden ratio for our handheld tablets. I most prefer the larger battery in the gaming tablet, which this Red Magic Nova gaming tablet offers, because it has equipped with a 10,100 mAh battery combined with a 120 watt flash fast charging. I just took the charging test. According to the test, it took 45 minutes to charge from 50% in 15 minutes and 100% in 45 minutes, which is quite rare for a tablet with such a large battery capacity. On the top edge, we have the functional area, including volume buttons, 2 microphones, and a magnetic area for the stylus. The keyboard is also available, but we have to buy separately, so you can use this tablet as your laptop or the gaming tablet. The frame is metal totally, give a beautiful vibe. The left side features the power button with a fingerprint sensor. This button has a dual function. It can turn on your tablet and it can be used for fingerprint sensor. At the bottom, we also have 2 more speakers, so total there are 4 speakers in this tablet. And there is a Type-C charging port. Now let's take a look at its specification. The Red Magic Nova gaming tablet features 16 GB of RAM and two options of storage, 256 GB and 512 GB of storage. Choose accordingly your requirement. It is powered by this year's flagship processor, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, which has a higher frequency with a CPU core increased to 3.4 GHz and GPU frequency increased to 1 GHz. And it has also equipped with LPDDR5X plus UFS 4.0 flash memory. In terms of Antutu scores, the current test device can reach under 2 million points. But I have seen some videos from YouTube that this tablet got more than 2 million Antutu score. But I don't know why this tablet just got under 2 million. I tried twice in my tablet and the temperature of my room is absolutely normal, but still it's under 2 million. The back panel design extends from the left to the right with the camera module made of glass, giving it a high-tech appearance. The camera module features two openings, including a 50 megapixel rear camera. On the left side, we have the centrifugal fan, the first of its kind in a tablet, but you might have seen in Red Magic smartphones already, which will significantly enhance the cooling performance. The front camera offers 20 megapixel. I'm recording a video at 1080p 30 fps. It does not support 4K at all from the front camera. This is the result when you are recording a video with the sky. The sky becomes totally white. It does not balance the color grading. But on the other hand, it's like this. Absolutely okay. I'm recording a video at Ultra HD 4K. It also offers Ultra HD 4K 60 fps. This is how the result from back camera. The color gradings are absolutely okay from back camera. This is 1x and it can zoom till 10x, but 10x it's absolutely blurry. From this side it looks quite okay. Now let's look at the tablet's most important selling points, the centrifugal fan on the back. In this setting menu, you can quickly toggle the cooling fan on and off, as well as select different modes, including balanced cooling and extreme cooling. You can also customize the RGB lighting on the back, choosing from options like statics, breathing, and flashing, as well as sound effects when the cooling fan is activated. Now let's explore the Red Magic gaming space, which is another key feature of this tablet. In the gaming interface, you can quickly enter the gaming space by sweeping from the left or right side of the screen. On the left side, you can enable motion control, adjust the game aspect ratio, and activate various game plugs. Additionally, the X Gravity feature allows for multi-connection options, such as connecting a keyboard, mouse, or game controller, and mapping screen buttons. On the left side, we have a standard shortcut button, such as for recording highlights, charging separation to reduce heat, and gaming reminders for screencasting, among other functions. The features are quite extensive and practical, making it a boon for heavy gamers. Personally, I feel that the software for gaming is far more appealing than the hardware performance of this tablet. In terms of power management, in addition to the usual power saving, balanced and wave mode, you can also activate the destruction mode on the left side, maximizing the machine's performance. Different performance settings can be figured for different games. In terms of audio, within such a small size, it's optimization for gaming, especially the excellent cooling performance, including the addition for the centrifugal fan. Temperature control is also commendable, with the highest temperature on the back reaching only 38.1 Celsius and the front screen temperature at just 35.6 Celsius. That wraps up our review of the Red Magic Nova gaming tablet. Thanks for watching, and please consider subscribing Mr. Laowai English Tech for more tech reviews.